Show you how to check warranty on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Simply you just open your settings, scroll down, showing it to about phone. Okay, and showing it to IMEI number. You just at first copy your IMEI number, long press to copy your IMEI number. Okay, alright, and open your any browser. Like I'm open my Chrome browser. Open this, go to search option, search it to unlock boot. Choose the first option, go to the site, and you just paste here your copied IMEI number. Select human, okay, now it's verify. Press on and showing it to my all about in this phone. Okay, showing it to serial number, model number, product code, carrier, and warranty is activate, product date, it's a production date, and device is 65 day. That's it.